Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do color grade with only your phone without any other application. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your photo library on your iPhone here, and then you just need to click it to open it. And after you open, you just need to decide which photo that you want to color grade. For example, for me, I would like to color grade this photo, so you just need to click it to open the access. And after that, you need to take a look on this upper right corner here, and then just click this edit button. And in this edit button, there will be like an auto adjustment for your picture. You can just click it, and then you will get an auto adjustment by the system. But if you want to do manually, you just need to go click it back and go explore the part or the section that you want to adjust. So the first thing here will be an exposure. So the exposure here will be the light that you can add into your photo or reducing from the photo. So if you want to add more light, you can just drag this part into the left side. But if you want to reducing the light, go drag it into the left side or into the right side. So here I would like to make it more darker, so I would like to drag it into the right side into -10. And after that, jump into the next part, which is the brilliance. It's also about the lightning, so there will be several spots that will be added into the light. So if you want to get more light, go drag it into the left side. If you want to reduce in the light, drag it into the right side. So yeah, I would like to reduce in it, so go add into -15. And after that, for the third, which is the highlights, it's also adding the highlights or removing the highlights from the photo. If you want to add the highlights, just need to slide into the left side. If you want to reducing the highlight, drag it into the right side. So yeah, I will like to drag it into -15. And then for the next is my favorite, which is the shadowing. So I will like to put the shadows for this photo. So you just need to slide into the right side. Drag the point into until they get the shadow that you want. I will like to make extra shadowing, so I will like to make it like -70. Okay. And then for the contrast here, if you want to add more contrast, go drag it into the right side into 15. And the brightness here is about adding the light or reducing the light. If you want to reduce it, go drag it into the left side. And my favorite, the second favorite, is the black point. So here you can adjusting the intensity of the black color from your photo. So if you want to add more black, drag it into the right side. And whenever you're done adjusting everything, you just need to take a look on the result. Just click and hold the picture for to see the original video, the original photo, my bad. And here is after you do the color grading. And whenever you're satisfied, you just need to go click done. And there is the way how to do color grade on your iPhone without any additional application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.